We are doing some more algebra 2 here. Still working on completing the square type of problems in lesson 2.5. We're almost over 2/3 of the way done here. So we're moving up here, number 7. And so what do we have here? We're going to rewrite it in vertex form. So if you remember, vertex form was that form that looked like this. Sometimes there was a stretch factor out here. So you had the h comma k, which is the vertex. And then this a, remember, if it's negative, it flips a parabola upside down. If it's positive, it's up. If it's a number bigger than 1, then it makes it grow faster, so it's like skinnier. If it's a decimal between 0 and 1, or negative 0 and negative 1, it makes it more wide because it grows slower. So those kinds of things. We don't have to worry about the a here, though, because we just have a 1 in front of our x squared. So basically what they're saying is complete the square, though. So if you take this x squared plus 8x, remember, just like we've been doing, you use half of the 8. And then let's just balance this out to make sure it equals our original problem, which was 13. So if I just ask you right now, this 4 squared part, that would be a 16, right? If I took the x plus 4 times the x plus 4. So you'd have your x squared part, your 4x, and 4x is 8x. But there would be this 4 times 4 part also, which would be a 16. So by writing in this form, this perfect square form, we've got a 16, but we were only supposed to have 13. So we balance that out here by 16, take off 3, would then get us back to the 13 we were supposed to have. And that's all you have to do for completing the square. Half of this 8, then check and see what you have for your number on the end. Add or subtract to this ending to make sure that equals the original problem. All right, so with that, hopefully when we put this in the problem right here, quantity x plus 4 squared, shift 6 to get in that caret, squared, arrow to the right, and a little old -3 on the outside to balance us out to equal the original problem. And hopefully we have it. So again, when you're doing these problems, view an example at the bottom. Help me solve this. Help me solve this. So we'll walk you through it one by one, but they won't give you credit till you do it on your own. Therefore, I like to view an example. It's a lot the same. If you're not sure if you're doing it right yet, similar question over here. And you've always got YouTube to help you find a problem that says writing in vertex form. Sometimes it's called graphing form. But keep after it. You can do this. Dedicated discipline and determination will really help you pay off in the long run. Good luck.